Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Copilot Studio Advent Calendar. Today, we're talking about how you can use pre-built plugins and custom connectors. And there's one famous example which everyone is using, and I'm using this as well. It's about the weather MSN. So what you see on my screen is I am using one of the templates with safe travels. Obviously, it's important that we know about the weather conditions when we're just using or going on a travel. So in that case, I just have created now a new topic. And with this new topic, I just have now a trigger phrase, which is just called weather. Every time when I'm just typing this in, and obviously I'm just calling this topic. And I'm just going in here and just go then to call an action. And then you can just go to your connector preview, and then there's already something there. And the things, what you just need to do is you need to accept this one, submit. And boom, you have your pre-built connector, which you can just use. So if you have also built other connectors, then it's also easy just to use. You don't need to go and use Power Automate Flow and just to configure. So this is very easy then for end-to-end users at the end, just to use this one. So once this is then done with loading, what it needs is obviously a location and a unit. So what we just do in the pre-phase is we just ask a question, and that question is, where do you live? Where do you live? And then the easiest way just to do this is just to take user's entire response, because at the end that converts this to a string, which you can just use. You can also make the string a little bit nicer and just call it location, for example. And then this also automatically been renamed. So that's easier then. And then is this a location string, which you can just use? And as you can see, every time what is expected, expect a string, which is there as well. So I can also ask for the units, but when I just click on this or just go in there directly, then it's either the imperial one or the Celsius one. So I will live here in Europe. That's why we're just taking this one. And then boom, you see all the error messages are also away. So you can have your result here, and at the end, you should definitely show what kind of result you have here. So if you just go in, and this is now today's forecast, just click on the variable, and you see a lot of these informations here. So when you want just to have only temperatures, you can also type in something like temp, and then you see the temperature here in that case. So that would be nice if you say, first of all, just to jump over. Let me just delete this one and add a message then again. And the temperature in your city is, and then you're just putting in again this variable. So then it's a little bit nicer from the expression. So let's again temp, and I'm just taking this one here. So then I'm saving this one because I'm more or less done. So now I can just execute this one. And as I said, this is a weather topic in this case, which been then triggered by this keyword, which I just have entered here. So in that case, if I just enter weather, it automatically lands in here. And then it just asks me the question, where do I live? And I can say, for example, I live in Hamburg, which is a clear lie, but anyhow. And then I want to connect this one, because I haven't connected this connections there. So I just need to do this and connect. So previously I did this one, but sometimes it just have to go an extra round. But once this is done, it will work. Here we go. Now it's connected. We just go back and retry. So then at least you see then the high temperature now for 7. So at least you see. So it works also for other areas as well. So if you, for example, want to look this for Berlin, for example, then you see it's the same. So in that case, this is how you just do this and configure this, and how easily you can just build in pre-built connectors there. Thank you very much for watching. See ya.